So right now, ChatGPT has this bright theme right here, and it is based off on my system settings on light mode. So if I want to go around and change it, I can go around and click on my profile right here and then go around under settings. And over here you can see that there's the theme right here, just like this. And the theme is actually system right now. I can go around over here and choose dark, and I get the dark mode, as you can see right here. And now ChatGPT becomes dark, just like this, as you can see. I can access out my other history right here, and you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go around and click again and then go to settings right here. I want to change it to light, then I can select light over here, just like this as well. And I can stick to system settings as I like as well, just like this. So this is how you can go around and choose dark mode and the system mode that is based on system preference, or light mode, as you can see right here, and change the theme of ChatGPT. So that is how you can go around, change the theme of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe